Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Off-Road Storage Rack for Jeep's JT Gladiator. Step 1. 4 pieces of adhesive foam have been provided to line the side plates, 2 long and 2 short. Flip the side plates over, exposing the bracket as shown, and place the foam on the longer inside bend, and again with the shorter foam just above it. Trim away any excessive foam as needed. Step 2. Begin assembling the rack by securing the sides to the center plate. Our signature logo on the center plate marks the rear of the rack. The directions of the side plates are identified by the Piranha logo, with each logo positioned closest to the cab. Loosely assemble each side plate to the center with 3 of the included button head bolts, 6 washers, 3 lock washers, and 3 hex nuts. Step 3. With the help of a friend, lift the rack onto the bed and place it onto the rails as desired. Step 4. Insert 2 of the included carriage bolts into the rail clamps as shown. Rotate the clamp behind the rail bracket and push it high up until rail, and secure it with 2 of the included washers, lock washers, and hex nuts with a 19mm socket. Repeat on the opposite side. Step 5. With the side plates secured and aligned, begin tightening the center plate bolts with an 8mm Allen and a 19mm wrench. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road Storage Rack.